that is paper number 11. We are going to see the introduction of literary theory. That is the introduction of literary theory. We are going to learn this concept that is called as structuralism. We have different concepts in literary theory. One of the concepts of criticism is structuralism. What exactly is structuralism? We will see. See, the critical consciousness of 1930 was dramatically broken by new theories that determined the direction of criticism from the 60s onwards. Now, what happens? That is, in the critical theory, there are new theories dramatically broken, and that theories that moved the criticism, that is in 1930s. The most influential of these new theories was structuralism. What exactly is structuralism? A movement of thought which began in France, that is in 1950s, and in the work of Ronald Barthes. Who began there? In France in 1950s, that is in after the consciousness of the that is criticism in 1930s. In 1950s in France, the work by Ronald Barthes and the anthropologist Claude Lévi-Strauss. In the rigorous form of the all-inclusive concerning the language, not only the speech and writing, but the science and signification, that is to say, all modes of communication, including in the animal world. That is, in its rigorous form, in its all-inclusive. What exactly included in this criticism? That the concerning the language not only of speech. Language is there for speech, but it is not only for communication, not only for speech, not only to talk, not only to have a conversation with each other, but writing, but science and signification. When we use language for speech, it is nothing but the science and signification. It begins with the science and signification. That is to say, all codes of communication. And the science and significance, they are nothing but the codes of communication, including the animal world. Means it is not like that only human beings, they have the languages, they have the communication, but in animal also, that is in the world of animal also, the animals also they communicate with each other. They also have conversation with each other. But how? As they don't have any language to communicate with each other, so they use sign and signification to communicate with each other. For example, if the animal they want to call the one of the group member of their herd, we can call it as जेव्हा एखादा animals एखादा समजा आपण म्हटलं कळप असतो, एखादा मेंढ्यांचं कळप आहे, त्यातली एखादी मेंढी जर हरवली, if we found that there are some what again the sheep or the such type of animals, if they live in the herd or in a group, if one animal is lost, then if they want to find out that their lost friend, they make some particular voice, or they have some their own signs of that is their own voice, or their own what you can say, they just